My name is Will Jones. I work for Cascade3d, here today to provide a demonstration of our Cascade3d analytics software. The demonstration is formed in a PowerPoint presentation, as every single live system we have is connected to a database. So I've done it in this way to keep the databases we use very safe and secure, which is a big priority for us in terms of general data protection regulations. On to the presentation. Cascade3d is a data analytics company. We're based in Wiltshire. We have been working in the leisure sector for the last 18 years, developing our reporting tool to its current version of Cascade3d Analytics. We work with a number of partners, including Excellent Leisure, to provide them with a reporting tool for their excellent leisure management system. Cascade3d is stored on your server. It can be hosted by XN if that's the solution you are interested in, but most of our deployments, it's installed upon your server, so it's very safe and secure and protects the data within the database. Once you load Cascade3d, this is the Microsoft Access menu. We use Microsoft Office, including the Access and Excel products with our analytics application. So this is the main menu. Zooming in slightly, we're now going to look at the list of reports we have built in. All of these are available from day one. There are memberships, member reports, bookings, courses, finance, and history and usage reports. Clicking on any of these options opens up further options underneath with some more detailed reporting. If you become a Cascade3d customer, we will show you how to use this. It's very simple. It's a couple of clicks, then your report is ready. And then we are using Microsoft Excel, which is a tool that you're probably very familiar with and already have a lot of existing skills using. If not, Cascade3d can provide a lot of training in Excel. Once selecting a report, a form pops open, which gives you some selection criteria. For this example, it's a live members report. You can then tick on the options you like. Perhaps you'd like to look at all your membership types, perhaps some of them. You select them at this point, then press the green Excel button and it constructs the report in Microsoft Excel with all the data in from the selection criteria. Close up of the selection form. Here's our report. It's now in Excel. It's now a pivot table. It's ready to be analyzed using Excel. I blanked out any of the totals in here to keep this nice and GDPR friendly. But it's just a pivot table. You drag in information from the field list and drop it in the pivot table to make meaningful reports, saving and distributing it amongst your team. In the example here, I brought in the fields of gender and age group to have a look at the demographics of my membership list. Really useful for marketing teams. Very simple. You just click and drag on the fields, drop them in the pivot table. But like I said, if pivot table aren't your area of expertise, we can provide full training as part of the installation. They are very simple to use and hopefully something you already know how to do. On to a more meaningful report. This, I believe, is probably one of the most important reports we offer. It's a live member report again, but I've split this information by the last visit of each member. Essential for retention. So I start identifying those members that haven't been in for a couple of weeks. But as you can see from the report, it's been very simple to set up. All I've done is dragged in the last visit of each member. Then I can slice and dice by membership types, different centers, whatever I would like to look at using the pivot table. Cascade3d, as I said, is very easy to use. You can see in a couple of clicks on this report, I've got hopefully all the retention information you could ever need. It's that simple. Please get in touch if you'd like to know anything else. Thank you for your time.